Hey, beautiful. Let me show you my daily Gua Sha massage. So grab your oil and your trusty Gua Sha tool. Oh, and clean it. Like, really clean it, because acne. Like, really, really clean it. Let's start with our warm-up. Get that circulation going. Even doing that just made me so relaxed. Let's start with our neck. We're gonna go upward from the base with light to firm pressure. And you wanna do this 5 times on each side. This step opens up your lymphatic pathways, encouraging detoxification and reducing any tension in the neck area. Now we're gonna move to our jawline. We're gonna start at the center of our chin and sweep the tool along our jawline toward our ears. And this technique is perfect for defining our jawline and relieving tension from the clenching and that puffiness. I like to do it 10 times on each side. The reason why I love Gua Sha is because this ancient practice isn't just a trend, it's rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, and its benefits are truly transformative if you think about it for your skin and well-being. It is such an amazing ritual that I incorporate in my day-to-day. This part of my face was so tense, and this was helping so much, and it feels so good. We're gonna move on to our cheeks. Let's work those cheeks, baby. We're gonna move from the corner of our mouth to our temples. I love this step because it lifts and boosts blood flow, leaving our skin with that healthy, dewy glow we all want. Here I'm using the flat side to just get that extra lymphatic drainage going, and this feels incredible. We're moving on up to our under eye, and please be very gentle with this area. You don't want to stretch or drag the skin unnecessarily. I love this step because it reduces puffiness and helps brighten tired looking eyes. We are moving to the brow bone, and we're going to sweep the tool outward to the temple, and this helps relieve tension so much. Also, excuse my dry skin coming out because of the exfoliation I did yesterday, so sorry. Same on this side. For this, we're moving above the brow bone, but it's the same concept. Next, we're going to move to our forehead, and this feels so good. Oh my gosh. We're going to finish with one final sweep from the top to the bottom. So we're going to start with the forehead, then the brow, then we're going to go under our eyes and our cheeks. It's going to feel really good, okay? We're going to finish with massaging our chest. Get that lymph drainage going. Help it along the way. Go to our armpits. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Now I'm going to leave you with one self-love meditation. Repeat silently. I am enough, and I am worthy of love even from myself. Think of all the moments in your life where you believed you weren't enough. When you chased approval, when you felt unworthy, see them in your mind's eye like pieces of paper caught in the wind. They are not truths. They are just stories. Stories that you do not have to carry anymore. And now picture those pieces of paper drifting away one by one. You are left with stillness. In that stillness, there is only you. The raw, unfiltered you. You're not just deserving of your own love. You are made of it. Go forward and honor yourself. You are already whole. Remember that. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Sending you love and light.